This is a box break for Yu-Gi-Oh! Galactic Overlord. Minion!
Yes, master. Yes. Here's your item, sir. What day is today?
Today is Tuesday, Minion.
Not Wednesday?
No.
Not hump day. Hey, can I see it, master?
You may sit.
Thank you.
Open the box.
Yes, sir.
Tell us of the sponsor.
The sponsor is YugiOhMint.com.
Very good. You will not be whipped today.
No, please, master, please.
I will take this pile.
Can I touch?
You may touch that pile.
Thank you, master.
If you do not come up with enough rare cards, you will not eat tonight.
It is the lie, I don't really know much, but...
No back talking.
Master is good to me.
This pack was terrible. That is your fault.
Master pulled this. It was good. He was happy. Jumbo drill, like the men you have working in the other area building your ship, sir.
My ship to destroy all mankind. I have a Beatron. It is an ultra rare card.
I may not speak.
You may speak, but only if it speaks of my glory.
I have a photon papilloperative. It is good for master.
I have many photon papilloperatives in my service.
Someday I hope to be one.
These packs are terrible, Minion.
I'm sorry, master. I made sure that you got the good and I got the bad.
There, I finally found Gaia Dragon, the Thunder Charger. He will be a wonderful addition to my army.
I suddenly have an overwhelming urge to sing, master, for I have the Gardener.
Do not sing.
Yeah, you didn't like
It
that
gives
much.
me heartburn.
I heard that last time, sir. I have the Dragon of Asar.
I have a better dragon, the Ancient Dragon.
Yes, sir. It's always better, sir. The Light Ray Sorcerer, another of your minions, I do
Indeed.
believe.
He serves me well. He does not fail me like you do.
I'm sorry. I do try to not fail. Speaking of not failing, I have the Inzector Axis Stag. Yes, sir. It is a $5 card. I hope I have not overshot my allowance.
I will accept it for now. However, I have the shiny... Pronounce this minion.
Reconnection.
Reconnection.
That is a $2 card, sir.
I educate my minions well, so they can pronounce complex card names such as this one.
I'm sorry to have overshadowed your cards, for I am merely a Tardy York. That is also an $8 card. You'll put it in Master Stack, it'll make him happy.
Very good. I have the super evil tile El Janeiro? El Janeiro. Why do they make cards so complex sounding? It is a $6 card. I have a hammer shark. In my army, I have hammer sharks with frickin' laser beams.
They're worth $1 million.
Indeed.
I have the Heriatic Dragon of Tefnut. Say that 12 times fast and you might get arrested.
I can say it 13 times fast.
Yes, sir.
We will now open our last packs.
Oh, sorry. I can get more.
Aha!
Oh.
The Heretic Sun Dragon Overlord of Heliopolis. I conquered him 3 years ago.
The Queen Dragon Jinn. $5 card. So we did not pull the card car, the sir. Sorry, sir.
Still, you did fairly well. I will return your family to you.
I appreciate that.
Without their heads!
They were too tall to begin with. Let me just say that I would like to say one thing to you in closing, that other people may see you as an evil person, but I would like to just say, did you ever know that you're my hero?
He is singing. The box break is over.